Welcome to the Kite 3 app. I'll show you how this works. So you can open an account or login. I'll click on login, enter your ID and your password, followed by a 6-digit PIN code. Now this is what replaces your two-factor authentication. A pretty cool feature is that next time you log in, all you have to do is enter your PIN and you are in. We also have the fingerprint sensor or the Face ID instead of the PIN in this app, which makes it fully protected. This is the Market Watch. Now you can add stocks to watch here by simply clicking on search and add bar. This universal search is really intuitive. So for example, if you want to search for Tata, you get all the Tata stocks. Or typing in crude or USD, INR gives you just that. Similarly, adding Nifty futures or Nifty is pretty straightforward. Also, simply long press the watch list name here to rename it. You can change the order of the stocks or delete them too. And don't forget to hit that save button. Now let's look at the sort feature. You can actually click on this filter button and it allows you to filter by exchange, by alphabet, or even last traded price. Now coming back to that search feature we were talking about, without adding a symbol, you can simply click on the stock to see the snapshot. You can see the prices, the buy or sell buttons, or you can jump straight to view the charts. You can also see the market depth right here and other vital stats of the stock. Now notice that pin button at the bottom there. Let me show you what that is. So when you click on the drop down button, you can see the main market indices, right? Now I can change these two pinned indices by using that pinned button. So let's go back to Tatacom and pin it. Voila, it's pinned. Now in the snapshot window, you can access some apps too. The fundamental app gives you access to all the events, small cases, news and financial ratios of this stock. Going back to the apps, we can see that there's a set and alert app. It allows you to set simple and complex rule-based price events. So for example, a simple alert will notify me when Tatacom's last traded price is say 500. I'll also use the is equal to sign to complete the logic. You can name the trigger and hit create. The Technicals app right here uses technical indicators to give bullish or bearish probabilities of the stock. So you can also change the time frame here too. So the 15-minute time frame indicates bullishness, but the daily is bearish. And finally, in the apps we have Stock Reports Plus, which gives you comprehensive research and analysis of stocks, markets, sectors from Thomson Reuters. If we move on to a derivative contract, there's a slight change. You can see the option chain feature too. This feature is powered by Sensible. You can view all the option data, that's calls, puts of different strike prices, along with all the Greeks in this area. For all the geeky option experts, this tool is definitely handy for you. Okay, now time to see the order tab. You will be spending a lot of time here, right? So click on the stock and you see the buy order window. Now right here is where you change the quantity. You can choose cash and carry. That order is for delivery. If you choose margin intraday square off, that means you want to take an intraday order. Now you have different order types here too. You have market orders, which executes at current market price. Limit order, where you can specify the price of execution. And then you have stop loss limit and stop loss market order. To learn how orders work, check out the videos on Zerodha's YouTube channel or see the user manual in the profile section. Now for you advanced traders out there, we have bracket orders too, where an entry order, a stop loss order and a target order are placed together in one shot. Boom! A cover order basically places an entry order and a stop loss order. Really useful if you are a trader. Simply swipe and the order is placed. Now on the order tab, you can click an order to repeat it. Normally, all orders you place are cancelled after the market closes. Now we offer a brand new order type called Good Till Trigger. Basically, you can place a buy or sell order which won't get cancelled at the end of the day. Now you don't have to place a stop loss order every day. Place it once and it will be there until it's triggered. Now, if you want to buy a stock at a lower level, you can use a GTT order for that too. You simply place the order and wait for it to trigger. You can use the GTT tab to track these orders. Another important feature of the GTT tab is the OCO order. Now, this order is only for the sell side and not while buying, because this helps you set a stop loss and a target in the same order type. So if one gets triggered, the other gets cancelled. The next tab is portfolio. Now it's divided into two parts: holdings, where you can see all the delivery stocks, and positions, where you can see equity intraday positions or future and option positions. Going back to the holdings tab, if you have a stock there, you can simply click on it and hit exit. Simple, intuitive, and super fast, right? Now the holdings section has a view reports button too. Now this connects to the console app. It provides you a breakdown of all your trades, your profit loss, and even gives you a tax report for your yearly filing. Investors, you will love this feature. The console can also be used in the position section. It will show you the breakdown of all your positional trades. In the apps tab, you can see all the available apps you have on Kite. Now these are the apps you can connect with Kite. The My App section shows apps you've already connected to your account. Finally, we have the account settings tab. Let's start with the fun section first. We have margin available here, so you can add or withdraw money from these two buttons. Withdrawals will be processed on the next working day depending on the available clear balance. Adding funds will reflect the money immediately in your account for use. Oh, and you can cancel any requests you had from here too. Also notice equity and commodity are in different sections, so their pay-in and payout is different too. Now after funds, the next section we have is profile. You can see all the information you've provided to Zerodha from here. Coming to the next option after profile is settings. Now this has a super cool feature. Ready? Dark mode. Isn't that pretty? The entire app turns dark, and if you like this feature, you can toggle it from this place. Finally, we have the option to switch to trading view charts as well. Do check this out to see a different feel from the traditional Kite charts we have on the app. Now, if you like the app, you can tell your friends about it too by using the invite friends feature. The invite link has this unique link that's mapped to your account. So if any of your friends join, you can earn points and spend it on partner products. We also have the user manual where you can toggle between all these topics and learn more about Kite 3. So that's it. I hope you enjoy Kite 3 Mobile.